Hey, what's going on everybody? My name's Alex Chapman. Welcome to the first episode of my channel where we're going to be talking about being a more productive and balanced leader. So, let's get after it. So maybe you're a young professional and you're working your entry-level job and all you keep thinking about is, how much longer do I have to do this before I get something better? Something that's going to make a difference. Something that's going to make an impact. Well, this channel's all about helping you hone in on your leadership style, your leadership skills, while also trying to be more efficient and productive, and having a balance to work and life, to your passions and your talents, but also your skill set, and how all those things can come together and give you peace of mind every day so that you don't have to wonder if you got enough done. So if that sounds like something you're going to be interested in, then be sure to like and subscribe to the channel below. I look forward to documenting this journey with you. And until next time, stay focused and let's get after it.